video was not shot on a camera. No crew, no location, no budget. I made it in about 4 minutes using an AI platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, right now. I've tested every single AI video tool out there. Most of them look like garbage. Weird hands, melting faces, movements that make you sick. But this one is different. And once you see what it can actually do, you're going to wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. The tool is called Higgsfield. There is a free plan you can start with right now. But if you're serious about this, the paid plan is where it gets powerful. Paid gives you unlimited image generations, which matters a lot once you start building real content. I'll drop the link in the description below. Here's what we're going to build today. A cinematic image that looks like it was shot on a $200,000 camera. A movie quality video animated from that image. When you first log into Higgsfield, look at the top bar. You've got images, videos, cinema studio, apps, and more. Each one is its own workflow, and knowing which tab does what is the difference between wasting time and moving fast. Think of it like a production studio laid out in front of you. Images is where you build your scene. Videos is where you bring it to life. Cinema studio is where things get cinematic. And apps are the power tools that make everything look professional. Most beginners jump straight to video and wonder why their results look cheap. That's because they skip the foundation. The image is everything. Get that right first, and the video practically makes itself. So let's start with images. Click on images at the top. Now here's where most people make their first mistake. They just pick the first model they see and wonder why the result doesn't match what they had in mind. Higgsfield gives you access to multiple AI image models, and each one is built for something different. Here's what you need to know. If you want ultra-realistic photographic results, use Nano Banana Pro. This is the best model on the platform for anything that needs to look like a real photograph. And they just released Nano Banana 2, which pushes the realism even further. Details, skin, textures, all sharper than before. If you want a more cinematic, artistic quality, Seedream is a great choice. Think movie poster, not phone photo. And if you want to put a real person, yourself, or a custom character you've designed into any scene, there's a dedicated model for that too. I'll show you that later. The model choice alone determines 50% of your final result. Now, the prompt. This is where beginners lose the most time. They type 3 words and get confused when the result is random. Here is the exact formula I use every single time. Subject, action, environment, lighting, camera. Instead of typing a woman in a city, you type a woman in her early 30s with short dark hair and a red coat stands at the edge of a rain-soaked city street at night. Neon signs reflect on the wet pavement around her. Cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, shot on 35mm film. Same tool, completely different result. The AI isn't psychic, it only gives you back what you give it. Set your aspect ratio. I use 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Reels. Then hit generate and watch what comes out. Look at that, that is not a photograph. That was made in 20 seconds. This tool lets you generate images and videos using virtual versions of real professional camera equipment. We're talking Studio Digital S35, the camera used to shoot major Hollywood films, classic 16mm film used for high-end commercials. Then we have different lenses, the glass used on Oscar-winning movies, gear that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars in real life. Here you just select it from a drop-down. I'll select Studio Digital S35 with a warm Cinema Prime 35mm lens and type. A lone astronaut walks across a barren red desert at golden hour, dust swirling around their boots, vast empty landscape stretching to the horizon. Hit generate. That looks like a frame from a $150 million sci-fi film, and it took 30 seconds. No other AI platform does this. This is what Cinema Studio gives you that Runway, Kling, and every other tool doesn't. Now we take that image and make it move. Click on video at the top. You'll see 2 options, text to video and image to video. For beginners, always start with image to video. Here's why. When you animate an image you already built, you control exactly what the scene looks like. The character, the environment, the lighting, all locked in. You just tell the AI how to move it. Upload the image, now pick your model. And this matters. The 2 best video models on Higgsfield right now are Veo 3.1 and Kling 3. Veo 3.1 is what I use when I want realistic movement with natural audio baked in. Kling 3 is incredible for smooth cinematic motion and longer, more complex shots. For this one, I'm going with Veo 3.1. Now, and this is the key, when you write your prompt for image to video, you do not describe the scene again. That's already in the image. You only describe 2 things: the action and the camera movement. So I write, astronaut takes slow, deliberate steps forward through the dust. Camera slowly pushes in from behind. Ambient desert wind sounds. Notice I specified ambient wind sounds. Veo 3.1 generates audio, and if you don't tell it what you want, it will invent something random. Always direct the sound. And there it is. That astronaut is now moving through that desert. The dust is kicking up, the camera is pushing in, and it sounds real. That is a cinematic video made from scratch in under 5 minutes with zero equipment. One more thing that makes or breaks AI video content. Consistency. If your character looks different in every scene, it looks cheap and amateur. Higgsfield solves this with its character feature. Go to the character tab and click create character. Upload 20 to 30 photos of the person. Clear, well lit, multiple angles. The AI trains on that face. Once it's saved, every image you generate using that character will have the exact same face. Different outfits, different locations, different lighting, same person every time. This used to be one of the hardest problems in AI content creation. Last thing, the apps tab. 3 tools you need to know. Shots. Upload one image and it generates 9 different camera angles automatically. One image becomes 9 professional shots without generating anything new. Skin enhancer. If your image has a person in it, run it through here. It fixes lighting, refines skin texture, and removes that uncanny AI look. Use realistic skin for most videos. Angles. Want a drone shot, a low angle, a close-up? This rebuilds your image from any camera perspective while keeping everything else consistent. These 3 apps are the difference between content that looks AI generated and content that actually looks professional. So to recap, Higgsfield gives you professional image models built for different styles, cinema studio that simulates $200,000 cameras, image to video that animates your scenes with real movement and audio, consistent characters that look the same across every piece of content, apps that multiply one image into a full production. The link to Higgsfield is in the description below. There's a free plan to get started, and if you want unlimited image generations, the paid plan is absolutely worth it once you start creating seriously. And if you want to see me build an entire short film from scratch using only this tool, comment film below and I'll make that the next video. Subscribe. You don't want to miss where this is going.